welcome back to Fiction Theory. I'd like to go ahead and apologize for the long wait for a video. You know, school's been schooled, so I haven't gotten the chance to make a video for quite a while. But it's now summer, so here I am, and I decided to go ahead and make a fiction theory on Infinity War. Now, if you have not seen Avengers Infinity War yet, first of all, go and see it. It's a great movie, and it's been out for a while now. And this will have a pretty major spoiler in it. So, if you haven't seen it yet, click off. Otherwise, you have been warned. So, if you're still here, as you probably know, at the end of Avengers Infinity War, Thanos, having all of the Infinity Stones, snaps his fingers and kills off half of the universe's population. Now, that also means, as we know, half of humanity is now gone. So there are 7.442 billion people alive right now. That is quite a few people, and half of them are all now gone. So that would be 3.721 billion people. That is quite a few people. Now, of course, all of these people are part of various different things, so I'm giving you an idea of what exactly the disappearance would be like in terms of location and everything. So, this half of humanity is spread across various different continents, with about 60% of the population being in Asia, 15.5% in Africa, half a percent in Oceania, 5.6% South America, 7.8% North America, and 10.3% in Europe. So, in numbers of half of the population, this would be, that's right, 2,233,344,200 people from Asia, 577,127,100 people in Africa, 19,721,300 people in Oceania. Yeah, that 0.5% is a big number. 211,352,800 from South America, 293,586,900 in North America, and 385,867,700 people from Europe. Now, that's all nicely split evenly. Probably isn't like that because movie logic, but that's the real world way if it's completely random and everything's statistically perfect, even though it never is. So, 10% of the entire population is left-handed, with the other 90% being right-handed. I am right-handed. So, in numbers, that would be 372,100,000 lefties just gone, and 3,348,900,000 righties gone. Now, all of these people are from different age groups. 42% are between the ages of 0 and 24, 35% between the ages of 25 and 49, and 23% are over 50. this would be 1,562,820,000 people between the ages of 0 and 24 gone. Yeah, I'd hate to be a parent in this situation. And then 1,302,350,000 people about in their middle ages and then getting close to old. No offense to anyone over the age of 49. And then people over the age of 50, that would be 855,830,000, which is actually relatively small compared to everyone else. Now, eye color. 44% of people have brown eyes, 30% have blue, 13% have green, 9% have hazel, and 4% have gray eyes. Now, I'm not going to get into anything about hazel and brown being the same. It's your opinion. This is just how the numbers break down. So that is 1,637,240,000 brown-eyed people gone. 1,116,300,000 blue-eyed people. 483,730,000 green-eyed people. 334,890,000 hazel-eyed people. And then 148,840,000 gray-eyed people. Also, I'd like to apologize for me stumbling over all my words. Now, those are some nice statistics, but not particularly interesting. Well, all of those people also happen to be made out of various different things, for a total of 158 million tons. Yeah, let that sink in, and that's just half the human population. To give you an idea of what that's like, that's the equivalent of 78,587,416 American cars. Or it's the equivalent of 790,000 blue whales. Adults, of course. Or it's the equivalent of 1,628.866 Nimitz-class aircraft carriers, the biggest aircraft carrier in the world used by the U.S. Now that's a whole lot of tonnage. Now how about blood? We all have blood, this very necessary iron-rich red liquid flowing through our bodies. So between this half of humanity, there will be a total of, yeah, that's a big number, 20,465,500,000 liters of blood, or 5,406,413,137.5357 gallons of blood. That is a whole lot of blood. That's enough to fill up 8,188.3950555, repeating decimal, Olympic-sized swimming pools. Yeah, I'm not going swimming in any of those, and I doubt any of you will, but it is also 3,703 times more blood than is on average donated a year. The average height of a person worldwide is about 5'7". So, that is a total of another big number. 20,775,583,333 and 1/3 feet, or 3,934,769.5707 miles. Now, this is, of course, if you were to stack all of these people on top of each other. Now, to give you a sense of scale again, that is 7,631,438.26746 times taller than the Burj Khalifa, the tallest man-made structure in the world, which is only about half a mile, which is actually kind of disappointing. Come on, humanity, let's go higher to the sky. Now, that is also 715,685.91112 times taller than Mount Everest, the tallest point on Earth. Yeah, that is really tall. Now, let's get to absolute ridiculousness. This total stack of people, just average height people, all stacked up, only half of humanity, is almost 16.5 times greater than the distance between Earth and the Moon. That's right, Earth and the Moon. That is quite the distance, and this half of humanity, all stacked up on top of each other, is 16.5 times taller than the distance between Earth and the Moon is long. And it's crazy to think that in all of this, this is only one half of humanity. If you want to know how big it would be with the total of humanity, just multiply all the numbers by 2. So, that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you survived Thanos' mass mercy on the universe. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you want to see in videos in the future. And I'll see you guys next time.